Hi guys. Well, we are at the airport and there's Har sitting there. We're gonna fly from Dumaguete to Cebu. First time on an airport. This is the inside of the airport. Very reasonable food from Miss Ann's Food Town. We got some bread and sandwiches. 160 pesos. You can't eat in an airport for $3 anywhere in the world, I don't believe. So this is going to be an adventure, and we'll tell you why we're going here after a while once we get there. We're going to be there for 3 days, 2 nights and 3 days. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys. We're still sitting at the Dumaguete Airport. It's, I don't know, 15 minutes past when we were supposed to board the plane, and the plane's not here yet. So hopefully it's going to show up.
Because we are too early here. That's why.
All right. We'll be back after a while.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Plane, here's Har running off in front of me. Hey. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm not scared. I'm not nervous.
Yay. Row 17, back there. We're 17, E and F. Small plane. I said it's a small plane. Plane. It's just a little small plane.
I'm sorry.
We're in row 17. You got to put your seatbelt on. Har's already saying the seats are too close together. She thinks she likes business class better.
Yeah.
Here we go. She's in a hurry. Alright. We're at the Cebu Airport. You made it. Now that we're off the plane, we're walking through the Cebu Mactan Airport looking for a taxi. After about a 45-minute taxi drive, we made it over here to the Waterfront Hotel and Casino in Cebu City, where we'll be spending the next couple of nights. Okay, we've left the hotel and now we're down at Ayala Mall Central Block, and we're going to meet Har's sister, who works, I believe, right over there where the SVC sign is, and AG and Jahara, and we're going to have some lunch. Okay, we're here at Rico's. We're gonna get some lechon. Somehow we don't have any pictures of the food, which never happens, but it was great. Okay guys, Har took this video out of our window. Our room was on the 9th floor. We had a beautiful view of Cebu City from our room, as you can see.
Good morning, guys. It's our first morning here at Waterfront Lahog, Cebu City. So we're going down to have our breakfast, and we're going to get the
U.S. Consulate.
Yeah.
At the U.S. Embassy Consulate's office here that's in this hotel. That's why we stayed here. So that's where we're headed.
See you later.
Yep, you can see we're here on the 9th floor. Lower level, lower lobby level. That'll get us down to the hallway where we've got to walk all the way down to get to the consulate office. So we'll see you when we get there.
We are here at the ground level of the waterfront. Look, it's very nice here. What's there? Morning. This hallway is going to the consulate office. So you just take the stairs. Massage center. This it's all massage center.
And the gym.
Massage. A gym. Big gym. It's very nice. Up over there. Morning, sir. That's very nice. It's here. We go out here?
Yep.
Okay.
Go to the outside.
Okay. That's their car park. This is outside of the hotel. Small building.
Our choice of food was excellent. Alright, we're walking back from Ayala Mall to the waterfront hotel and casino. We've already taken care of everything we needed to do, and we fly back out tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, rest of the day is for us to play. Beautiful flowers and landscaping here at the waterfront. Hi, ma'am. We're gonna go to the casino for a little bit. Got the fish fountain here, and there's the entrance to the casino, all looking Christmassy. And the lobbies of the hotel looks all Christmassy. Looks nice. Got it decorated up really nice. All right, let's go see if we're gonna win.
Yeah, let's go inside. I'm excited. I hope I'm gonna win.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm just hoping.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
3,000 pesos.
For 3,000 pesos now, we have 12 pesos left. So, we lost.
Losers.
We did not lose. We did not win. We're just relaxing here. We are losers. So, we tried to relax here.
They had a very nice wine selection. Okay, sit down.
Ano ba yan? Nakalami lagi ani. Ah.
As you can see, the buffet here at the hotel had every kind of food and choice that you could imagine. It was really good.
Evening. evening. Okay lang, video lang ko. Thank you. Yan na.
Hey guys, we're on our way back.
We're going back to Negros.
It's Thursday morning.
Thursday morning? Oh yeah, Thursday morning. We've been here for 2 days in Cebu.
So we'll see you guys when we get there.
Yes, see you. Yeah, it's moving now.
Nice. Nice job, guys. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little trip with us on Har's first flight on an airplane. And got all my stuff taken care of at the U.S. Consulate office, so it was a very successful trip for us. Have a great day.